In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing. First, you'll want to open your web browser and type in Monday.com in the search bar. As the page loads, click to sign up. You can do this for free using your email address or simply connect with your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're all signed up and logged in, it's time to create a new workspace. Think of this as your digital headquarters, where you can neatly organize all your manufacturing-related projects and boards. Now, let's delve into the Template Center. Here, you have a treasure trove of resources at your disposal. Enter Manufacturing or General Project in the search field and choose a template that fits your needs. Templates can save you heaps of time by giving you a preset structure tailored to manufacturing processes. With your template ready, it's time to add columns. These will encapsulate important data points, such as task status, owner, due dates, product details, and inventory levels. Customizing these columns allows you to capture all critical information at a glance. Next up, delve deeper with status columns. These columns enable you to mark the progress of each stage in your manufacturing process. For instance, use these to identify steps like wood cutting or quality check so you can follow the workflow with ease. With this setup, you can efficiently track your entire process. It's also crucial to assign your team members to specific tasks. This not only clarifies who is accountable, but also lets you monitor everyone's progress effectively. For better visual management, take advantage of Kanban boards. These boards are fantastic tools for categorizing and managing tasks. You'll be able to see task cards glide through different stages, delivering an instant visual understanding of current progress. While you're at it, consider setting up task dependencies. This feature is excellent for ensuring that tasks are completed in the correct order and that you meet project timelines without hiccups. Managing your materials is yet another critical component. Create a board to list details of your raw materials, work-in-progress inventory, and finished goods. Include items like SKU, name, cost, and quantity for unequivocal inventory oversight. A brilliant feature to capitalize on is automation. By setting up automations, you can trigger reorder alerts whenever stock levels dip below a certain threshold. Furthermore, leverage dashboards and widgets to get a comprehensive high-level overview of your projects. This will help you effortlessly track key performance indicators, giving you valuable insights at a glance. Lastly, focus on automating repetitive tasks, such as updating statuses or sending notifications when deadlines approach. This sort of automation can significantly free up your team's time, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to using Monday.com for manufacturing, all set up and ready to streamline your operations.